Hello teachers, welcome to the launch of Module 3, Establishing a Literacy Community of our Reading Academy. In this module, we are going to emphasize that healthy literacy communities offer crucial support for all students as they dive into a lifelong literacy journey. Within a healthy literacy community, teachers and other adults provide culturally sustaining, challenging language and literacy experiences in a very safe and loving environment. These experiences not only contribute to students' literacy development, but they also build empowering literacy connections between home and school. The objectives for this module are right here, and they are: number 1, define what are literacy communities. Number 2, analyze culturally sustaining strategies that build connections with students and families. Number 3, understand what is a literacy-rich classroom that promotes student learning. And number 4, evaluate how to engage in learning communities that foster professional growth. We have created a hashtag, and our hashtag is PISDRA. If you have any new understanding or you're excited about this learning, please let us know using this hashtag. Let's start by talking about effective literacy communities. When we have an effective literacy community, we devote ourselves to community building, promote literacy ownership, teach collective responsibility, and reflect on learning. In the Reading Academy, we have our own literacy community. We have created a Padlet, and in that Padlet, you can find different teachers that have gone through the Reading Academy. You can find how you are connected to those teachers, and you also are going to notice that we have different age groups, we have different backgrounds, we have different positions in the Padlet, and it gives you a sense of who is who in the Reading Academy and who are the people that are learning with you and that have learned before you. So I want to encourage you to take a minute and add your picture and your information to the Reading Academy Padlet. Now that we have seen some of the members of our literacy community, we want to move on to talk about the big ideas of the module. The number 1 big idea is a literacy community is a network of people who read, write, listen, and learn together about one another and about the larger world. I want to encourage you to use our hashtag PISDRA. Our second big idea is a student's family is a strong foundation of literacy for your students. A literacy-rich classroom motivates students to build their literacy skills by emphasizing the importance of listening, speaking, reading, writing, and thinking, and also by providing multiple opportunities to interact and develop these skills. And our fourth and last big idea of the module is using a campus-wide PLC can help create a shared understanding and alignment of the skills that are necessary for implementing the science of teaching reading in our classrooms. We also want to give you some tips and tricks to have success in this module. Number 1, review your missed items in the pre-test and take notes. Number 2, you can consult the module while working on your post-test. Number 3, take a look at your peers' responses and engage if you can. Just take a minute whenever you can and give your peers some feedback and some affirmation words. You would be surprised of how much you can learn from your peers' ideas. If you have any questions, you can contact me. You can send me a text message via Teams. You can send me an email, or we can set up a Zoom call and have a conversation. I hope you have a great week and see you soon.